I'm Adrian, and today we are at the GBT automobile parts in China. I've just purchased a body kit for the Toyota Land Cruiser. For today, they will help me to change my old Toyota Land Cruiser into the new Navigator edition, which I just have here. And we're going to also have the back part of the new Toyota 300 here at GBT Auto Parts. After the unboxing is done, this is what we got. As you can see, we got a pretty cool hood over here. And the best part of it is as you touch it, you can feel the quality of the materials, and the ending is polished. This iron is polished. And one of my favorite parts you can find here is the fender. The side fenders also strong material. We will not blend easily. The quality is quite good. Then in this part, we got a quite cool front bumper. The bumper with all these endings in chrome. As you can see, the chrome feels good at the touch. We got all these high quality LED fog lights, fog lamps, quite good. And this kind of massive front light. This massive front light full of LED and there's a moving, turning lights. It's quite heavy. If you try to get it, you can feel how heavy it is. We got here in the Navigator edition the grille also with the chrome color, and this part here, as you can see, is also full of LEDs. After it is installed, in the next section we got the back, the rear matte flaps here. We got two of them, the rear lights, and over here we can feel the rear bumper, and also made in steel. This iron is very solid, it's very strong back door. And I cannot wait to see all these installed in my 2015 Toyota Land Cruiser. And GBT Auto Parts, they're going to help me. It's going to look incredible. Well, as you can see, this is my 2015 Toyota Land Cruiser. As you can see, it doesn't look too good at the moment, but all the exterior part, all the body parts have been removed. We don't have a hood, we haven't got the front lights, the tires also, we need some work in here. The only parts we are keeping are the doors and the mirrors, which probably we are going to take. Again, we haven't got any rear bumper, and we are also going to change this back door. So there is pretty much work to do in this car. It's the 2015 basic line, so I can't wait to see, just in a couple of days later, when I come back to the workshop to take my car, how it's going to look like.